All right. Silence, please. Now the question is, how do you feel about cyberbullying? What do you think parents can do to prevent their children from bullying others and protect their children from being bullied?
That's a very interesting question. The thought of any child being harassed, tormented, humiliated, or threatened saddens me deeply, especially in today's world where the effects of cyberbullying have multiplied into the use of interactive and digital technology. To prevent these acts, parents should play a big role in their child's life. Parents should know who their child's friends are, where they are at all times, make sure they have good supervision, and most importantly, have family discussions that will teach their children how to resolve and find solutions for their problems. Thank you.